Welcome back, electroplating enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of nickel electroplating, a technique that adds shine and durability to your favorite objects. Get ready to embark on a journey through the step-by-step process of nickel electroplating, its incredible benefits, and where it's wildly used in various industries. Understanding nickel electroplating. Nickel electroplating is a method of coating a metallic surface with a thin layer of nickel through an electrochemical process. This technique not only enhances the appearance of the object, but also improves its corrosion resistance and durability. 2. The equipment you'll need. To begin your nickel electroplating journey, gather the necessary equipment: nickel plating solution, nickel anode, power source, rectifier, cleaning solutions, protective gear, gloves, goggles, etc. Electroplating tank 3. Preparing the surface. Before electroplating, it's crucial to prepare the surface of the object. This involves thorough cleaning to remove any dirt, grease or rust. The cleaner the surface, the better the adhesion of the nickel layer. 4. Setting up the electroplating tank. Fill the electroplating tank with the nickel plating solution. Ensure the tank is properly ventilated and that you're wearing appropriate protective gear. Place the nickel anode in the solution, opposite to the object you'll be plating. 5. Electroplating process. Now, it's time for the magic to happen. Connect the object to the negative terminal of the power source, rectifier, and the nickel anode to the positive terminal. Turn on the power source, and the electroplating process begins. 6. Monitoring the plating thickness. Keep a close eye on the plating thickness by adjusting the voltage and current as needed. This ensures uniform coverage and prevents over or underplating. 7. Finishing touches. Once the desired thickness is achieved, carefully remove the object from the solution and rinse it thoroughly with water. You can now marvel at the shiny, nickel-plated surface. 8. Post-plating treatment. To enhance the durability of the nickel layer, consider applying a post-plating treatment such as passivation or sealing. 9. The wonders of nickel electroplating. Now that you've mastered the art of nickel electroplating, let's explore its incredible benefits. Enhanced corrosion resistance, improved wear resistance, increased hardness. Decorative appeal 10. Where nickel electroplating shines. Nickel electroplating finds widespread use across various industries, including automotive, chrome plating for bumpers, grills and trim, electronics, coating connectors and components for improved conductivity, aerospace, enhancing the durability of aircraft components, household appliances, adding a sleek finish to kitchen and bathroom fixtures, jewelry, creating stunning, long-lasting pieces with a brilliant shine. Ready to embark on your own electroplating adventures? Visit Rawat Electroplaters for high-quality nickel plating solutions and expert guidance. Don't wait. Unleash the power of nickel electroplating today. Thanks for joining us on this illuminating journey through the world of nickel electroplating. Remember to like, share and subscribe for more electrifying content from Rawat Electroplaters. Until next time, happy plating. Nickel electroplating is more than just a process. It's a gateway to transforming ordinary objects into extraordinary marvels. With the right tools, knowledge and a dash of creativity, you can unlock the full potential of nickel electroplating and bring your wildest dreams to life. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of electroplating today and let your imagination shine.